Hello everyone, just delay, it's Wangmo. Recently, we all have been working hard to get through the COVID-19, but unfortunately, on September 5th, a 6.8 magnitude earthquake occurred in Luding County, Sichuan Province, China.
China is making all-out efforts for rescue and relief, after a 6.8 magnitude earthquake jolted Luding County in Sichuan Province on Monday. Sichuan has activated the highest level of emergency response for the earthquake. The death toll has risen to 74. Thousands of rescue workers, including firefighters and electrical workers, have been engaged in the rescue and search operations.
Indeed, the earthquake is really terrible. When I heard this news recently, I felt very sad, so I could only pray for the victims at home. Holy water is a must-do thing every morning. It be also considered one of the ways of blessing. To avoid fire accident, we now generally advocate the use of plug-in butter lamps. Of course, prostration is also a blessing. When these things happened, I went from 50 to 100, also want to pray for the victims. Chanting is also one of the ways that we pray for blessings. First of all, the sixth syllable Om Mani Padme Hum that we often chant. This mantra helps to clear the six afflictions of greed, hatred, jealousy, delusion, arrogance, and stinginess. To block the gates to the six paths, to transcend the six samsara paths, and to the Pure Land. The 21 parises to Tara is another mantra that I often chant, and it is really a long mantra that contains blessings for all aspects of our lives, and I often chant it at least once a day. To be honest, there is nothing we can do about the natural disasters like earthquakes. Here is only praying for our victims. So I hope all of us are safe and healthy. It's time to say goodbye to everyone and see you next time. Bye. Just delay.